Bonjour, hi everyone. This is Ruby, Montreal professional guide since 1992. I'm standing at Yuval Square. Why is there the Union flag and the building Parliament on that brick building? Well, at one point where we're standing, we used to have the St. Anne's Market, and this was Montreal's first indoor public market. Today it's actually an archaeological site, and we've done a small recreation of it. It was Canada's Parliament as well, from about 1843 to 1849, but unfortunately we burnt it down. Those of you who are Downton Abbey fans, well, what does Downton Abbey in Montreal have in common? It's the building with the clock in the back. This was the Grand Trunk Railway's headquarters, and at one point Lord Grantham loses his fortune because he invested everything he had in the Grand Trunk. Learn why and all of these great little stories on one of my walking tours. See you soon. À bientôt.